So, guys, most posts go viral for simple reasons. It's either people find them very useful, very funny, or highly relatable. If you want to create viral posts like viral content, you can either be creative yourself or you can leverage the creativity of others. On X, there are two major ways to do this, and I'm going to show you. For the first one, when you come across a content that performed very well, let's say a viral content, or you come across a creator's profile that you really like and they usually have viral content, you just need to go to their page and use the post filter. For example, I like this girl, Timmy So Fine, right? If I come to Timile's profile, I can do what? I can check her content. Usually she posts a lot and most of her posts are usually like viral. Yeah. So you can come here. This only works on the web version of X though. That is, you have to go to x.com. If you're using a mobile phone, just go to your browser and type x.com, then you sign in. When you sign in there, if you go to people's profile, you'll be able to use this feature, right? So when you go to the profile of the creator you like, scroll down, go to post, click on post, then you see latest, you see most liked, click on most liked, right? And then you can do, if you're interested in seeing quotes, replies, videos, you can filter that, but I like to leave it on all, right? So just click on view changes and now it will show you our most viral content. You see this one that she made, it's got 7.7 million views, right? And this one got 10 million views. Yeah, this was a quote. And this one, and if you scroll down, you see a content that has gone viral. You don't need to pick all the contents. See this one now. This was literally her talking about iPhone camera settings. And it went viral, 6.7 million views, right? So you don't need to pick all the posts, right? Just scroll down and see what really works, what people relate to, what is going viral, right? And then you can just, let's say for example, you like this one. This post did 530k. What she's saying here, if you type these names under Shane Shops, blah, 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 you can actually use that again. You see this iPhone camera settings that went viral. This probably went viral because lots of people can relate. Lots of people want this kind of setting. They want to know, right? So the thing is that people usually forget posts like over time. This was since December 2025. Probably somebody else has posted something like this. But I mean, I've seen posts that has banged multiple times, like posts that have performed well multiple times posted by different people, right? So for this one, for example, you can just download these pictures. Download these pictures. You see this caption, right? Save this iPhone camera settings for high quality content. You see this caption, right? You can just maybe tweak it a bit, change your wording, and then post, right? And then post. You don't need to post on the go. I mean, once you go back, it's you see that it resets, right? So I'm just going to put the settings again. So you don't need to post on the go. You can just bookmark what you like, and then in your free time, you go back to your bookmark and then you recook and post. Do you get? So that is the first way you can steal bangers on X. You can also do the same thing for other platforms. You see platforms like Facebook, Reddit, LinkedIn, all those places, they usually have like very, very nice posts, right? Sometimes you go there and you check what is trending, check what is performing well on all those platforms, and then you can actually come to X and post those kind of posts too. And you'll be so surprised how fast you go viral and then start to gain traction on your page. Just make sure that you're finding strong posts, you're tweaking it a bit, and then you're sharing. Another thing to note is that if you have a brand, right, try and go for posts that will not like disrupt your brand so much, right? So you can literally go for like banging posts in your niche. So literally post bangers that you're comfortable with, that you know that is okay with your brand. So the next one is to take advantage of this creator studio. You see the side panel here. If you look at your phone, you see the side panel, you see the Creator Studio. When you click on Creator Studio, you go to this part called Inspiration, right? This inspiration part, it will show you the top performing posts. It has even grouped it for you. Last 24 hours, most liked, most replies, most quotes, most bookmarks, most shares, most video views. Literally, it has grouped it for you. This one is last 24 hours, last 7 days. If you're looking to like maybe make a post based on what is current, you can focus on this tab and see what's happening. And the good thing about this is that you can filter it. This is in the UK right now, but you can filter it to different countries. Let's say you're interested in Nigeria. In the last 24 hours, you see what people are talking about in Nigeria, right? Not all posts here will fit your brand or match what you would like to post on your page. Yeah, I like to focus more on bookmarks, right? I want to see what people are bookmarking, what people are saving. So you can click on this more bookmark, and then the next thing to do is either you put it on last 7 days, right? Or you put it on last 30 days. If there's nothing here, just put it on last 7 days, and then you scroll down. Scroll down to see if you find anything useful, right? Or anything, I mean, that matches your brand. You may not find so many things here that matches your brand. I mean, depending on your brand, if you're somebody that is a Web2 person, you'll find a lot that you can use. But if you're a Web3 person, or maybe you are focusing on a particular niche, you may not find a lot here. But if you scroll down and you really focus and check, you would find something that you can literally recook for your page. So that is it. It is literally called inspiration for a reason. You can gain inspiration here and you can get like banging content. So that is it. If you have any other tips, maybe you have any other tricks, you can let me know in the comment section. Bye.